Hello friends, welcome back to our Solution Unlock channel. Today we are going to complete the data internship by completing the task 4, and I'm excited to share the insights about the business. Appreciate your thoughts, questions that guided the analysis, and I trust the results are not only compiling but also valuable for the company's future opportunities. To ensure accuracy, I conduct the analysis excluding records with the negative quantities and unit price to provide error-free results. Regarding the first query about a revenue trend, the analysis reveals distinct pattern. The store sees consistent revenue in the first 8 months, averaging around 8 685k. However, from September onwards, there's significant surge peaking at 1.5 million USD in November. While December data is incomplete, it's evident that seasonality play a crucial role, particularly in the last 4 months of the year. The second visualization focused on the top 10 countries from growth, excluding the UK. Notably, countries like the Netherlands, Ireland, Germany, and France shows high value of unit and revenue. To maximize these opportunities, a strategic focus on further capturing demand in these regions is recommended. On moving to the third analysis, the purchasing pattern of the 10 top 10 customers appears balanced. The highest revenue generation customers only purchased 17% more than the second highest, indicating a diversified customer base and a favorable business position. The last map chart highlights regions with significant revenue generation, emphasizing the need for increased investment. Countries like the Netherlands, Ireland, Germany, France, and Australia stand out, while regions like Africa, Asia, Russia, and part of America show lower demand. A targeted strategy for these areas hold potential to boost sales, revenue, and profitability. Subscribe for more content on data analysis, visualization, and career growth. Explore more tasks and internships on the Forage platform. Share your thoughts, questions, and insight in the comment section below. Let's build a community of data supporting each other.